Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got a Pfaff 130 I had to change the tension disc on. So I'm going to, with the help of my husband, show you how to do it. This is what my tension disc originally looked like. It was missing a lot of the parts on it. So I changed it over to this one. Okay, now I need you to hold the phone too. Keep it focused right in here. Okay. I'm going to show you how easy this was. It was simple, 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 simple. If I can get the screw to unscrew. There we go. And if you're wondering where I got the tension disc, look up Fred Sanford, I'm sorry, on Facebook, and send him a PM. Tell him what you need, and he will send you the parts. This is so easy, it's unreal. I haven't sewn with it to test if the tension's right. I got to figure out where to put the spool holders out. But that's all there is to it. You see how that goes in there? This just slides right back up there. You put your screws right back in, which is easier said than done. It did take me a little while trying to do it by myself, but I have problems getting the screws to line up with the hole, but once you get it done, it goes in really easy. It's like a 5-minute fix. Okay, and before I tighten that all the way up, I'm going to put in my bottom screw. This is why it gets tricky getting your hand up in there. There it goes. Come on, go in. Had to buy me some of the sewing machine screwdrivers because I got them like all over the place. And a lot of what you see in my background is other machines being worked on. And that's all there is to it. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. That's how easy it is.